Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make passion fruit sauce. First, gather your essential ingredients for this delightful tropical treat. You'll need about 8 to 10 ripe passion fruits, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of water. Make sure your passion fruits are slightly wrinkled, indicating they are perfectly ripe for maximum sweetness and aroma. Also, have a small saucepan and a fine mesh sieve ready for the next steps. Now let's get to the heart of the passion fruit. Carefully have each passion fruit and scoop out all the vibrant pulp and seeds into your small saucepan. Don't worry about the seeds, we'll address those later. Add the 1/4 cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water to the saucepan with the pulp. Stir everything together gently, then bring the mixture to a low simmer over medium heat. Let it cook for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. After simmering, it's time to achieve that smooth, luscious texture. Place your fine mesh sieve over a clean bowl and carefully pour the passion fruit mixture into it. Use the back of a spoon or a spatula to press down on the solids, extracting every last drop of that flavorful liquid. Discard the seeds and any remaining fibrous material. Return the strained liquid to the saucepan and simmer it gently for another 3 to 5 minutes, allowing it to thicken slightly to your desired consistency. Once your passion fruit sauce has reached the perfect thickness, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. This is crucial for proper storage and to prevent condensation. Once cooled, transfer the sauce to an airtight container and refrigerate it. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 1 week, ready to elevate your desserts, breakfasts, or even savory dishes. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade passion fruit sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.